bless up. More love, more strength, bless up. Science your life. Together, not divided.
Now guys, I had no idea this was gonna work for me. Like, everybody kept saying, oh my gosh, I have no bookings within my first 90 days. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope this works. I started getting bookings. After my 9 days being on the platform and having the bookings that I had, I posted on Facebook and I said, I made my first $1,000 on the platform within 9 days. And people were hitting me up like, oh my gosh, so many people were blowing my messages up. So I decided to make this video because so many people were asking, so many people, I couldn't get back to everybody. So here's the video, guys. This is how I made $1,000 within my first 9 days. I'm gonna break down 6 tips for you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys some proof of how it all went down. And at the end of the 30 days, I made up to $3,000. I wanted to share these tips with you, and I hope they help you. Not everybody's gonna get this opportunity. I'm not sure. Everyone is different. Let's get into this video. Let's go. All right, let's get into this. But first, gotta do it. Hello, I'm Teacher Lee. So you guys want to know how you can make $1,000 in 9 days? Stay tuned. But first, let me grab some coffee. Let's go. How can you make $1,000 in 9 days? Guys, I'm not gonna guarantee you that you can make $1,000 in 9 days like I did, but I can try my best. I can tell you what I did and the steps that I took to achieve this goal. I will give you 6 tips today. Let's jump right in and let's talk about number 1. I opened up all of my slots, 24-hour slots. So this means that students can book you within 24 hours, all the slots that you have available. Open them up. Now, I am full-time with this, so that's why I had the luxury of opening everything up. I say open it all up. The more chances you open up slots, the more chances you will get booked. So that's number 1. Number 2, guys, it's all about your appearance. Even if you don't wear makeup, try to throw on some makeup that day. You are going to be on camera. These parents are picking you out of so many other teachers, so try to stand out, look the part. You know, I got my orange shirt on. You don't have to wear an orange shirt nowadays. My dog is going crazy right now. But anyway, you don't have to wear an orange shirt anymore, guys. But I say wear the orange shirt. Stand out that way, brighter. It makes you look poppier. It makes your background look poppier. Kids like color. Like, be colorful, guys. Be silly, be colorful. So that's what we want to do. We want to wear some makeup if you are a woman. If you are a man, be well groomed. Have a collar, you know, just look nice. Look the part. Look like you come in to teach a class and be a professional teacher. You're not just here, you know, showing up in pajama pants, as we probably are down below. But you know, up top, make sure you look the part. Look nice, look clean, look colorful, because we are here to teach the little babies and they want to be entertained, okay? Number 3, guys, I can't stress it enough. Make sure you have a nice background. You know, you don't need much. You don't have to spend all of your money. Trust me, I did not have a lot of money to spend. I'm on a budget. So I got a lot of these things from the dollar store. I got this from the dollar store, my border. I got this from Amazon for about $5. I also got these puppets which were $12. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I was like, why are they $12? Puppets. But anyway, they're nice. It's not too bad. Makes it look really fun and festive. Also, I put this little decoration on my head just so I could look a little silly and poppy and more colorful. So I think this helps. The kids love when I wear this little thing. I don't know why. Come on, kids love things like this. So I wore this and they're like, oh my god, what's on your head? Older kids, not so much, but the younger ones, you gotta keep their attention. So those are fun things I like to do to keep their attention. Be creative, guys. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Go to the dollar store. I went to Dollar Tree. Number 4, guys, make sure you have a nice intro video. Now when these parents are swiping through, looking through the different teachers, you want to be able to stand out with your intro video. You guys can check out my video now. Hello, my name is Teacher Lee. I like to play basketball. I like to eat ice cream. Yummy. I like to swim. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Alright guys, I don't know what you guys thought of that. Let me know in the comment section down below. I kept it short, I kept it sweet, straight to the point, and I didn't spend a lot of time. I just showed the students and the parents, you know, what I like to do, my interests, I made it fun with sound effects and, you know, props and showing what I have in my classroom, what they can look forward to. And I just kept it sweet and to the point, man. You don't have to go too far into it. Use your classroom. That's what they want to see. They want to see what they're going to be getting when they book you. Be lively, guys. I am not the most lively person. I'm actually very quiet. And, you know, I'm not that hype. Like, I'm a naturally calm person. But you gotta be the part, okay? Even if it is just a little bit. You don't have to be extravagant and way out there, but you know, be lively. Number 5, guys, make sure you have a bright colored picture. Now they're gonna see your profile picture out of everyone else's. Try to wear bright colors. Of course, have your, like I said, have your bright colored background so that they can see what they're getting into. They can click, they're like, oh, this looks like a beautiful background, beautiful teacher. You know, they're wearing the bright colors. They have good lighting on their skin. For my picture, I edited it. Is that right? I edited my photo and I turned the saturation up so that my colors can pop. I also turn the brightness up on my photo. If you guys look here, look at the before and the after. You see how poppy it is, how glowy it is? Yes, this is what we want. You can do this on your iPhone. Camera roll, pretty easy. Turn to the vivid filter and turn the brightness up and you should be good to go. Number 6, last one, guys. Make sure your bio is clear, concise, and to the point. Talk about your interests. What do you like to do? I like to, like I said in mine, I like to eat ice cream, I like to swim, I like to, whatever you like to do. Play with my kids. I have a dog. They love dogs. They love pets. If you have a pet, please mention that and say that you like to play with your pet. Even if you don't, say that. Show some nice pictures in your bio. You know, some family-friendly photos that are brightly lit. Look like you're having a good time. You have a smile on your face. You know, show your interest that you talked about in your video, possibly, you know, different things like that. If you have a family, I would definitely showcase my family, especially if you have children. For mine, I actually put in my bio pictures of me with my children when I taught English in China, and I also had a picture of me and my husband traveling in Rome. We want to look really nice on paper. And actually, when I did this, my students came to me, and every time I have class, they're like,
teacher, you like to eat ice cream, right? You like to eat ice cream? Yes.
I'm like, dang, how do you know that? But of course, I put in my video and my bio that I like to eat ice cream and I like to do certain things. So yes, they do pay attention, guys. They pay attention, and they always come to me and say,
oh, teacher, you like to swim, right?
And they like to swim too. So that's how they can connect with you, and they can want to, you know, build a relationship with you and want to keep coming back and booking you more. So that's the point, guys. That's what we want to do. That is everything. Make sure you share your personality. Be bubbly, even if you aren't the most bubbly person. Trust me, I'm not. You gotta be the part. You gotta do what you gotta do. So guys, keep it simple and simple English, because at the end of the day, these are Chinese people and not everyone speaks the best. I say majority of the people do not speak the best English, so keep it very, very simple. You guys can check out my bio here. I kept it very simple. I even added emojis recently just so it can be more easier for them to read. They understand what I'm saying. I hope this was very helpful for you guys, and if you guys have any more questions, please let me know. A little bit about myself: I actually did teach in China for 4 years, and I recently came back, and I was so amazed that I found this opportunity to still be able to teach children in China in America. So this has been an awesome experience so far. I was very amazed at how many bookings I got so soon, right when I signed up. But I think it was because of these key things, like my profile picture, my photos in my bio, everything, all of this together, I think really helped me book easier. And make sure you have your coffee so you can be excited, and make sure you have your props. And sometimes I actually show my dog so that they can feel like they're a part of me. Oh, and also I wanted to talk about another reason why I think I got so many bookings so fast is because it is March, and I had the whole month of February, which I did get up to $3,000 at the end of the month. My first 9 days I made $1,000, and by the end of that month, I would say it was 29 days. You guys can check out the screenshot here. I made $3,000. I was very surprised about this. I was not thinking I was gonna get $3,000, but I did, and it was amazing. I'm gonna keep striving for this, but I think it was because of the coronavirus, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't want to bring this up. I didn't want to bring this up, but I think it was because of that, because when I was teaching my children, my kids, my students, they were saying they were stuck in the house all day, bored, and they had like 10 VIP kid lessons all day. So that might have contributed a little bit. Yeah, don't know, we'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any more questions, or if you guys need any more help, please let me know in the comment section down below. And I love you guys, and I hope this helps you. Okay, let's keep going with this VIP kid thing, guys. I wish you guys the best, and I wish you guys all the money making and changing the kids' lives, making them happy and excited to learn English. Let's get it, guys. See you guys. Peace and love.